Hi everyone, let's discover wonders of the world. Sydney Opera House, Australia. Sydney Opera House, Australia. Taj Mahal, India. Taj Mahal, India. The Colosseum, Italy. Statue of Unity, India. Moai, Easter Island. The Eiffel Tower, France. The Eiffel Tower, France. Big Ben, England. Tower Bridge, England. Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. La Sagrada Familia, Spain. La Sagrada Familia, Spain. Arc de Triomphe, France. Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Golden Gate Bridge, United States. Golden Gate Bridge, United States. Uluru, Australia. Uluru, Australia. Merlion Park, Singapore. Merlion Park, Singapore. The London Eye, England. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. Great Wall of China. Kremlin, Russia. Machu Picchu, Peru. Petra, Jordan. Statue of Liberty, United States. Sydney Opera House, Australia. Let's learn inventor and their innovations. Glider, George Cayley. Phonograph, Thomas Alva Edison. Kodak camera, George Eastman. Diesel engine, Rudolf Diesel. Steam engine, James Watt. Aeroplane, Wilbur and Orville Wright. Mobile phone, Martin Cooper in 1973. Printing press, Johannes Gutenberg in 1440. Television, John Logie Baird. Telescope, Galileo Galilei in 1926. Submarine, Cornelis Drebbel. Calculator, Blaise Pascal. Piano, Bartolomeo Cristofori. Thermometer, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Roller skates, Jean-Joseph Merlin. Hot air balloon, Joseph Michael and Jacques-Étienne Montgolfier. Car bench in 1885. Radio, Guglielmo Marconi. Computer, Charles Babbage in 1832. Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. X-rays, Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Bicycle, Baron Carl von Drais in 1818. Typewriter, Christopher Latham Souls in 1873. Electric iron, Henry Seeley White. Fountain pen, Lewis Edson Waterman 1884. Motorbike, Gottlieb Daimler 1885. Light bulb, Thomas Alva Edison in 1879. Microscope, Zacharias Janssen in 1665. Stethoscope, René Laennec. Sewing machine, Elias Howe in 1846.